How to reset WhatsApp's end-to-end encrypted password. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily restore your encrypted password on WhatsApp. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for WhatsApp support or WhatsApp help. Then you are just going to tap on the first link, that is contact WhatsApp, and then from here, if you want support regarding your assistance or anything, you can just tap on this contact us button, and then you'll have to enter your phone number first, then provide your email address, then confirm your email address, and then if you scroll down, you can choose what do you use your WhatsApp on. I'm currently using an Android phone. And on your message below, you're just going to tell them that you forgot your end-to-end encrypted password and ask for their help if they can help you recover the password or reset it. And once you do that, you can just tap on next. WhatsApp will contact you on your WhatsApp's chat, and then you can just follow the instruction they give you to reset your password. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.